Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to pay contractors in QuickBooks Online, step by step for 2025 to keep your payments organized and accurate. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the Expenses tab. Click Vendors, then choose the contractor you want to pay. Make sure their profile is marked as a 1099 contractor and their payment details are filled in. Next, click New Transaction, then select Expense or Check depending on how you paid them. Choose your payment account, enter the amount, and add a short description for tracking. If you're paying by direct deposit, click Pay Contractors under the Payroll section and follow the on-screen setup. Double check everything, then hit save and close or print check if needed. And that's how you pay contractors in QuickBooks Online. Simple, accurate, and fully ready for 2025 compliance.